Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people house, broke people store, and all these things. And the police them a shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. So, we continue the journey. This is part 3 of part 5. Yes, you have to make sure that we have to do all the necessary things to make sure that our elderly, we make sure that they are taken care of, so because one day we are get old too, so we cannot be, we know say everything take time and all of these things. And we appreciate those who have subscribed to the to Patreon. Yes. And as you have seen, it doesn't cost an arm or a leg. It's less than a cup of coffee. And because majority of the people are in the diaspora. Canada, America, and United Kingdom. So have yourself a beautiful day and just continue to listen to what Detective Corporal Blake, very brave police. Yeah man, he was shot twice, once by a gunman and the other time by a police. And you know that the second time he was shot, it was literally a hit because police, high-ranking police officers at Unsby had stolen cocaine that he had found. And he had made some noise about it, and because of that he almost lost his life. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Chris, me I tell you that straight, the information come true, Like you say, I was a constable at that time, and I have no power, I can't do nothing, I can't move man from nowhere and put him anywhere, that is not my, I have no power to do that.
Yes.
So the information, and a lot of police had the information. Even police that was at station at Hudsby had information too. Then I'm told police had the information too.
That this man was marked for death.
Yes, and even the police officers that were on the ward guarding other prisoners take with themselves that night. Them man take with themselves because them years so the man them come down the place. You understand?
Right. But like me and you know all them thing now. We know all the street work all them thing now. So the police attack the big with them in our police force. They knew that this boy was coming to them knew that these men from Tivoli Gardens were coming in the hospital to kill this boy.
Because, yeah,
why
they must, but listen, because there's no way,
why they never set up something to kill all of them? All of them in the hospital.
If I was in charge of that, if I had the rank, the type of rank that was needed, if I was up the rank of even an inspector, sergeant, say inspector there, Brethren, something would have to put into place before when them come, you're ready for them.
Yes, that myself
remember, Chris, that boy is a cockroach still, you know. You understand me? I'm a dangerous boy.
Yeah, we're not saying no, you know. What I'm saying, you know, based on our experience, what we would have done is that we would allow them to send the boy Cassie to the departure loan, but them after that now. Remember, we are detective on them thing there, you know, so we would have everything in place.
I would have set a kill box for them. I tell you that. We'd have set a kill box for them.
Yeah, so
you kill box for them. This is the thing to Chris. Listen, Chris, this is what you need to understand, you know. They were working with staffs at the Kingston Public Hospital, you know. So if police they set up something down there too, you know, the boy them would have known. Because we can't trust none of the staff at the Kingston Public Hospital. Because
we know them control KPH. As you hear me say before, what happened in 1993 in time, we'll have to start out a boy from Tivoli in our area. And you understand Douglas Guthrie and them thing, one detective named Douglas Guthrie. The man that very influential, you know. He was here to make them back off. You understand?
But my hands were tied and I was just a constable. There's nothing I could do. But all I can tell you that bigger heads, big wigs were aware of the threat and news. They knew, everybody knew that they were coming to finish the boy. They knew he was marked for death because he violated Dudus by robbing and shooting the Chinaman downtown who was under Dudus protection.
Yes.
So by the hook or the crook, them a come for him. No matter when them a come for him. If I once be a jail in there, then I try to come for him. See him. You get me? I say because them say them have to kill him. So I told Finger, you know, brother. I remember clearly, you know, I told Finger, listen, brother, Finger, stay away from him. But Finger never listen, brother. Finger no listen. Everybody clear the water and Finger still in there. I saw Finger meet his demise, you know. Finger was in the bathroom, you know. Motherfucker, when them come to kill the boy and them done the boy Finger in the bathroom, they never have to kill the old man. With a little point rate, he was no threat to them. The boy them just evil. There's a whole lot of them, you couldn't manage so much of them. They never had to kill the old man. That have to show you how evil them be.
Yeah man, them callous man. That's why you can't fight crime with sympathy, empathy and compassion. You have to treat them like how them treat. You have to treat them like them heartless. They
did not even take the gun, I think. May I tell you that?
Them kill him and never take him gun.
They not even take the gun, they don't want him. In the first place, why them even kill a little man? You know what I mean? The little old man. But the thing about it, you know, Finger is a very loyal police, you know, once you give him a duty, if he not straight from that, he not leave. He's a man who wants him to guard a prisoner, he not leave. And we know how Finger was, you know, so I told Finger, listen, Finger, watch the thing, brother. Because they are coming to kill this boy. The information is that they are coming to kill this boy. We don't know when, you know, Chris. We don't know if it's tonight or tomorrow night or what, but we know that the plan is they are coming for him.
And them just come in a KPH, kill the boy and Finger, and them just walk out like in the park.
They were dressed up like warders. You know, them outfit like they work there with ID on them chest and everything. They were dressed up like warders, man. They were dressed up in a uniform, like the blue thing, like you know the people were not doctors. They were dressed like people who push trolleys. You know, people who push the gurneys around.
The
porters. Me call them warders. Yeah. They're porters. They were dressed up like the porters. So obviously they got uniform from KPH to dress up like the porters without ID hang up on them. You understand? And then they went through and murdered the guy and murdered the police officer. But the thing about it, Chris, after the policeman died, still, you know, I was blamed for it.
Who blamed for the killing of Finger? After you killed Finger, how you get blamed?
I was blamed, you know. Let me tell you, I was a constable in time, a young police. So, cowboy burned me out to kill it. I said, boy, I mean, because Finger dead. Because
you kill Finger?
If I say, I mean, hold on for the boy again, want me hold on for the boy for? Because the boy was questioned already. Why me hold on from the boy again? You make the man dead, you know. I said, well, you know what? I never feel guilty or nothing because I was doing my job. You understand?
Yes.
You get me? So that never shaped me. Yes, me feel bad about finger death, but him died in the line of duty. So I go, you know, any one of us can die at any time.
Yes,
Police work or something set. You know what I mean? We're not afraid of death like that. We every day we do a road of work, you know.
And we never
drive on the muscle.
We never think so we could have dead too.
You understand? As a matter of fact, we can't dead. You know?
That's true, man. We never think so. We never think so we can't dead. Because no care much shot of fire, we are going in it.
But you know, I don't care what shot. That's why the thing about even, I hear you mention the things so when me get shot and all of them things, you know, brother. When I got shot, everybody run gone, you know. All the man shot me run gone, you know. Nobody knows behind, you know. Everybody run gone.
Yeah, because me hear what I've heard then, you know, when you get shot, you know, is the coke, it cut down the 4 key, a 5 key, a coke you did find a Waterhouse.
I think of 4.
I had to charge somebody, a whole heap of police in a come to you for give man blind, and then the next thing, the coke, and then you never have access to the exhibit for carry gala, but the next thing the coke come back and say a baking soda, and you start talk, and them say I saw you for dead.
I want you know, say, you know, when I found that, you know, there was another police there who, because you know, I put that on my tongue and the police put it on his tongue and say, yeah, man,
yeah, but that I want to hear
hand that over to the senior person for the scene and
yeah, the police that says the coke and them thing, I was one of Amos police. Because police they tell me anything about everything. I want to Amos police and them thing there.
But hear the worst thing about the situation now, my brother.
Yeah.
Man, my own stay burn me out, you know that?
Because them say nobody collect the money, you know, collect the money.
Yeah, the man them say me a fool, brethren. Find coke and care go give man me a idiot and make man rich. And I say, what you talk about? You say, I'm not find a cup here. When me carry go a lab, them say, I'm baking soda in the brother.
Them switch it, and true start now, if you did.
Like me say, I never taste it, you know, because I don't put them things up on my tongue. But the police will taste it in more work. You see me?
Yeah, man, yeah, because in the done give the approval just like Woody Band and say a coke. Because them are the experience, you know. Yeah, man. And I saw them say, and I saw one of them besides say, boy, you for dead.
Yeah, I go a lab and the man them say I've got baking soda, so I never really follow that up again. I just move on. You see me, I say?
So I wish why you didn't make nice about the case and them thing, and I still can them say in
a station, yeah, but the thing about
them say in a station you start call police them and I say oh them thief and them collect them switch a coke and collect money. And them still want to do you collect money like yes.
Yeah, me look out on it at one point because I say we talk back to the police and I say you're sure? So the man say yeah man I'm sure. So I say well go on. So we look out on the thing but Chris, let me tell you something, man. The police they were shot me still. I don't know what to say about him, but you know, I have asked him the question on more than one occasion, like, brother, what really happened? You know, I mean, when it just happened, man. Even after that, and he was saying that, boy, I'll be crying to you know what I mean? Because them had to get counseling, you know, all of the things. Because I must say, boy, ninja. I must say, boy, I don't know. Even though he not give me an explanation what happened, you know. Him just no you get me? And
him shoot you as a name brand police and not come out of it, something fishy man.
Yeah, I mean
normally, hey look here, when you're a name brand police and police shot you, there's always consequences. No guy can shoot you. You understand?
But brother, Chris, let me tell you something, Chris. Who business about whether you're a name brand police or not when people shot you? Nobody business about you when you get shot.
No, that's how it used to be. Look here, it all depends. That's what I tell you. If you don't work with a man like John Gaz and them thing, him that the police would have gone. Him from the man and him shoot you and them thing, him gone past suspension from that day, and him would have charged discharging him firearm. They would have charged him discharging firearm.
I remember K.O. Bennett was the one who did the report, and K.O. was saying it ruled it as accident, so that was it. You know what I mean? And I never think about it anymore than that. I say, yeah, accident. We just call it accident and we move on from it because I'm the type of man who love to move on from things, you know. Because I can remember when I got shot, I went to KPH. Chris, me I tell you, I tell myself like that still, you know.
Yeah, so describe. You say when you get shot, you know, see part of your belly and all them thing there.
Yeah, and you see, you look and you see the hole and you see flesh a come out and thing, and I feel like me cutting a two. I mean, no, M16 rifle shot me because me see the muzzle pull back through the curtain. So
I'm either shot you.
The thing is, there was a doorway right in front of me, but there was a curtain at the door where I was standing. And then I heard the explosion and it blew me back right across the room. So when I flew across the room and my back slammed against the wall and I fell to the ground and I looked straight ahead of me, I see the M16 rifle pulled back through the curtain, to the side of the curtain. So I said, me curse a bad one and I said, yo ninja, you shot me, then. And next thing me look, me see bolt gun run gun like thief on the right side. There was a door to the right, to the exiting blast guard, run guard. So I said to myself, Chris, listen now, I'm not going to die inside a year, you know, because me try to stand up 3 times and nothing not going for that. So I decided that I was going to crawl out of the building.
Yeah.
To go help myself and me start crawl, because me say, you know, if I'm going to die, I'm going to try. You know what I mean? Because me not see no police. And when I try crawl out of the building, there were 2 civilians who we took out of the house, run back into their house. And them say, who get shot, but I never trust them because there were 2 suspects that we came for. So me pull up my gun and say, yeah, what do I do? Because I decide my mind say, me now make them kill me inside here, me I carry them with me, you know. And they said to me, no, but Sarge, come Sarge, man, I can carry you outside, man. You get shot, come and carry you outside. And let me tell you something, Chris. When the 2 men picked me up, we just allow them to help me, because I say anything or anything. When the man them carry, it was a big yard, you know, when they went out inside the yard, not even one police inside, you know, brother. Every man run gone, you know. When I reached outside of the gate on the street on Guava Road, that is where I saw police hiding behind motor vehicle. And the guys them were shouting, yo, the Sarge get shot. And that time no love run came where we were and then put me in the car and said, hospital thing. You understand? And even when we were going to the hospital, the car crashed in a tree. Accident in a 3 mile, fling me off of the seat, you know, brother. You know what I mean? But this is what it is, Chris. We went to the hospital and I remember Roden asked me if I ever make it, you know? And I said to Roden, listen, Ninja killed me still, you know. But I just say go, you know what I mean? I remember Roden start cry, Grant start cry and everybody, and man him said they not leave me and all of these things. But it's just say go, man. But listen
to me all them things. You see, if you had follow what I have imparted to you guys, you know, that when you go up on radio, tell police. You make police know, say if you shoot me, I go shoot you back. Cause if I mean, say I'm dead though, you know though.
No, but like I said to you how it happened, you know. You couldn't shoot him back, you know. Not even you couldn't shoot him back. Because when the 16 blow you, when a 16 lick you at close range to me like about 3 feet away from me, 2.
No, me not talk about that. So what happened then time when them carry you outside there and you never did see when them carry you out there?
No.
You know, so for them shooting, you never see him during that.
See him again. All right. When I was at the hospital in the emergency room, I know Ninja came there, and then I hear cowboy say, "Yo, you shot him."
Wait, let me ask you. So when them come in the emergency room, you did have your gun?
No, they remember once you were in the team, no, they were taking gun from police.
Would kill him. Would kill him. That's why I asked if you did have your gun in there. You understand? Can you know someone would do it? Yeah, man, would kill him, man. You understand?
Make peace with myself.
Police are supposed to shoot you as a police.
I mean, me in the hospital room, I make peace with myself still, no, Chris. Me tell myself I eat this still. I'm not lie, me tell myself I eat this. Because an M16 rifle fly through you like that. Through your grind area, right through my grind area, but I said done.
Yeah.
That's supposed to bust up all my artery and thing, and that is what me I tell myself. And though me I feel all of my lower body feel numb, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like the part that your body don't exist.
Yeah, I saw it feel like the part that my body don't exist from me waist down. You know what I mean?
The intelligence unit in a police will say enterprise criminal them and the corrupt politician them. They must say a special branch Bruce Goldie know about the traffic bribe where the PMP them getting it. You know that though?
Yeah, I know that.
Alright, and you know say I see PMP scrap the special branch with Owen Ellington, the most corrupt commissioner of police ever.
Oh, no, that man was man who passed corruption, man.
Boy, me I tell you.
The thing about it, you know, he fire so much police out of the work where they charge and win them case and
but
come back.
In the charge of corruption and
yeah. So why you not run on yourself?
Alright, that me say too.
And yeah, the thing about it, you know, in run with a police, so the police are take side, so the police are a consort with people of unscrupulous character, right? And at the same time, all of these men who will run with the police, so the police are consorted. All of these men have licensed firearms, you know.
And I feel from them.
Alright, yet him say the police are consort with criminals and send home the police. So him now renew the police contract, the man lose the work and gone. And you and the man them have license gun. So how them have license gun and them are criminal? Why you not take with them gun?
True, them have done it.
But you run with the police.
True,
the man come to destroy the Jamaica Constabulary Force, me I tell you that. And destroy the CID.
Yeah, man, him not like detective. He not like detective.
Me no say no like detective, me I tell you that.
Yeah, man, him not like detective, man. Yeah, understand.
I want you know say even the one Mikey Pips not like detective neither, him a detective but he don't like detective neither, because I am telling you that when Mikey Pips was at Huntsville as DSP crime, he never promote nobody in the CID. He promote the uniform police them, he promote the QR team. He never dropped not even one promotion at CIB. And that's the other thing now, because they are not promoting CIB police officers because they want to destroy the CIB.
But you know what you just said about Mikey Phipps and the uniform police, because I true you're talking.
The man who promote no detective, my youth.
Yeah, man. Look here. When you say I true, you know, because this boy, you know, will come from Craigtown, you know. Him that New York now, you know. You know, says a police woman will come from Waterhouse. She an officer now, you know. She a detective, you know. She used to do with Ben too, you know. She a deputy soup, you know. She do with got fear man, you know. When he Blackie boy, you know. Dan, you know, murderer, you know. And she him make sure so she get promotion, you know.
Yo, this is what the first.
You know the police woman that may attack.
No, sir, I don't know her. I don't know her.
She used to that West Kingston, man. She named Marcia Blake. Yeah, man. See, is
a brown lady?
Me no know. She the station at Linstead now, man. She used to that West Kingston. I fear man. She a deputy soup now. I fear man that the man they had done. See, the brother, what boy they want him Blackie boy. Yeah, man. That's why they get to that special branch. Oh, all a woman, like, you have a police woman. Oh, you have a police woman, you are a gazette officer. Then with a man, we are done. A murderer, drugs dealer, everything in it. You know,
it was a constable and fire the constable a long time.
No, but him and Mikey Fix me up. She get promotion from inspector. You know, so Miss Bent. Miss Bent is shot that she get her promotion. She and the boy named Mackenzie up by Kingston East. As you're rightfully saying them thing, the people them in the police was so corrupt, you know. We mix up, you know, and they get a like promotion, you know.
And them get the whole of the promotion, brother. That's straight. The man we work hard on soul case, my youth. And remember, Chris, when we there on spear work in every operation, you know, you see the same faces them, you know. Every overnight work, you see the same faces them, you know. Every flag march, you see the same faces them. You understand me? We are the whole of the work, you can know the faces when you see every day upon the way I do the work. And when promotion come at different faces, you see.
Yeah, man, like people, they want to do nothing. We cover
people, they want to do nothing.
True, man.
They can't tell you that. And the people, they want to do nothing better. And them are the ones that move up in the force, man.
Yeah, but what may I show you now, say, all the police force, that's why the people, them, you know, even the people, them in the jungle and them thing, you know, them, I tell you, say, them not trust Mikey Phipps, you know. Because, you see, the release, the boy will kill Ichipang in a week gone. You hear on the spot and all of them things. This boy will look for right now, you know. He might deport you from America. Him the American up in New York and him sell drugs and all kind of thing and send back gun. He might next one in here Rick Dick. And them are Michael Phipps, a big friend, you know. Before right now, the boy when he Rick Dick, you know. One boy, you know, I show you, you know, how Jamaica, you know, or them Jamaica send convicted criminals coming to America, you know, by giving them clean police record. Both political party in bed with it, the PMP and the Labour, you understand? I send convicted criminal come to America and I give them clean police record.
You know what?
You understand? Oh, that man. So them I say Mikey Phipps down. The boy, you know, the boy we kill Ichipang. So you have a boy with a prisoner when he 90, you know. Him that prison from in the 90s. My first one I got prisoner with them use a statement. A statement for charge with murder. And him that prison. That the boy there, you know. Him now I say one jungler. So I saw them kill this boy when he Super Mario. And him have connection and them thing there with Mark Golin. Them kill him in the Easter. You understand? So as we say them thing, man, I criminal them in the police force at them I mash up the police force.
Remember a syndicate, you know, a clique, you know. So it go, you know, the good police now have no clique, you know. Most good police are just one after, you know. One we are one we are just a single person just at work, you know. We just work for the people of Jamaica, you know. So we see the thing, you know. We put the people in Jamaica first, because I put people in Jamaica first. When I get shot in a Chris, the first time I get shot in a Chris, I take gunshot for a man and I don't even know who that man is up till today. You know?
What do you mean I take gunshot for him?
Then the man was going to get shot, boy, when we get involved in the thing.
Oh, you talk when blood shot in the
boy, I have a gun in the man's face and I'm using the car, do an easy man for the youth, you know. And him start fire upon me in the car, you know. So me save the youth life. You know what I'm saying? So me sacrifice my life. I don't know who. I don't know who. To tell you the truth, I don't know who. You not even come make a report to police. I probably be gangster too, but I said go. But then the day when police supposed to give me justice, me never get none because they collect money and push in them pocket and let go the man. I said go. You understand? And yet still my name big up at internal affairs, so me I run gang a Walter, and me a hitman, and me a this and me a that. Because this is what they do, Chris.
No man, police are yeah, you send them can't when them can't
But them can't kill you.
They can't control it. Them use same people from the community them for smear your name, you know.
Yeah, them use people from the community for smear your name. Police do it, and them call your name and them say you're under investigation. Every time you come to go on a course, you're under investigation.
Yes, man.
That's about me. If you get promotion, then say me under investigation. Yeah, man. Then cook up and then put things by your file. To derail you. When you're a good police, because they don't want the Chris, they don't want you up in the rank, because they can't trust you.
Them can't
trust you, you know. They can't control you, they can't trust you, so they don't want you up in the rank. They don't want you around there with them. Me I tell you that straight.
Because you create changes.
You create changes and you create, so when they give me the chance of unspear. If me get the chance of unspear, if even turn DD, I want to be a DSP crime, I want to be a different unspear that I run. Listen, if me was a DSP crime, I want to be a different unspear that I have.
Well, well, for you to get promotion, you have to be in a pocket, man. Like, you have to be in a DCP's throughout pocket.
Yes, you might know next.
Yeah, man, like, brother, they are call the police source more like anybody. Hey, he make different chances like a boy scout, you know, man.
Yeah, that man, they are not police, Bridget. I don't even know now. My deal.
All them, man, they don't call the police source big time, man.
Come on, Unsby, all them do a put on tire in Unsby, crime that kill him down there.
I make money and them thing there.
Yeah, and crime a kill you, and you know you can't do nothing to the division, but you see a detective will get shot in the line of duty and can't work, and you see me come a station come collect me check. You see me come a station come pick up document, and then you send people to come call me and pressure me about sick leave and one bag of thing and stop me pay the next week. You get me understand? Then you come talk about you. But you stop me if I lose a job. This is where you come from. And stop my pension and take off how much years off of my pension. You know what I mean? That's a same thing.
Corruption look here. Say he was in Walde and Bully pocket.
Well, me remember me out from 2008, you know, so me couldn't
I tell you, you understand?
I never know
that. They know say Walde brother when them killed last year and them thing that. You know say him was the last link to Stuart. Yeah man, him used to protect Walde man when Walde alive man before them kill him. Yeah man.
One of them have money in the bedroom, they don't care about crime.
Look here, when money they care about, you know. Yeah, remember say when Stuart father dead, you know, I wanted buy goat, you know, and give him, you know, for bury for them keep the 9 night for him father down gutters, you know.
Oh yeah.
Remember say me the police, you know, and me no that Jamaica, you know. Remember say everything what me a Cockburn pen me know.
Yeah, cause you have been around the same way.
That's why I tell you say I come up police.
Yeah.
You understand? Even while the phone after while the them thing, phone number in a while the phone. Phone cell phone. My number in a while they are bully phone. Come here, my friend.
Hey Chris, me gonna explain to you something we never know. Well, you probably know. Me have a virgin who are ex-police, but in the start par with Dudus them.
Yeah.
The man tell me say yo, if anybody when me know want turn police, me can tell him have a link where money can run for man become police. No test, nothing. Everything just start out for him. I mean, I'll tell you this. We there, son, I work in a Jamaica Constable Force and we think it's peace and safety. You know how much money in the police force where Dodo said come turn police for work for him in I force?
Well,
some of them are officer. I want to understand me, so Dodo some other gangster from other areas send them come turn police. And them have to move up to the rank too. You get me answer then? Because them man, you know, remember Chris, them man don't talk to no constable and no corporal, you know, because we can't make no decision and we can't pull certain string, you know. You have to be a man way up at top to pull certain string, you know.
Well, the only police I mean what do this was friend with us Harry Bungles. And Harry Bungles and Bud Spencer and Gilroy. Me don't have no other police than my friend. He man bigger Ford than a friend still, but anyway, MC bigger Ford, the man bigger Ford knock face and them drink and all kind of thing. But
you remember saying that they just not care about friendship, you know, they just care about business.
Yeah, but
politics don't care about business.
No, but look here, Delroy, everybody knows that Delroy live with a labor right, and Delroy you did want to kill Dudus. So me no know a big police and my friend. As I tell you, the only police I know and Dudus was friend are Harry Bungles because of money. Harry Bungles, Bud Spencer whether than Gilroy. Me don't know no other police and my friend because
Chris, it's not where you know it's not where you know I hurt you, Chris, or you don't know. So the sleeper the right beside and you don't know say I him have a link with Dudus. You see me after that?
The only thing I mean know about the police force, me know say a whole heap of PMP criminal join it as brigadista. But me used to work with one of them at Unspear, one of them Winston Meliada. Meliada is a brigadista. That's all Meliada correct name in it. His correct name is Michael Rowbottom. Most only never know that. Meliada is a brigadista. Oh me know? I must say a PMP community me come from born and raised.
But Nelly the hard-working police do you know?
Hard-working police, oh, which part? A Meliada.
We work together many months. But we do some good work together still.
No, Meliada never shoot a man yet. What kind of hard-working what kind of hard-work? Meliada only police. Meliada is the longest serving detective on the Olympic Yard because Meliada is a PMP criminal organization police officer. Meliada the police, his job was there for supply. Some supplies is handler with information about Towile. And the people at Towile never knew say this man is a police, him a intelligence man for PMP criminal organization.
Okay.
Meliada is police. The man is a brigadista. His name is not Meliada, his name is Michael Rowbottom. And Michael man himself.
I've heard you said on numerous occasions, you know what I mean?
Them brethren, ask me for me I tell me know Meliada brother and brother did in a positive thing I group. Him brother named Rowbottom, him brother used to do a conscience thing, bad police. And did all beat up.
Him have a brother who a police?
I mean Meliada one brother with a name brand detective. I mean them all do a song about all him brother.
Oh yes.
I through my family when a police and everything, I saw me you know him. You understand? And me and him meet up at one party and them thing. And all me know him and them thing at that party a man call me name and man I say wait, are you name and me and him start talk. Rowbottom Meliada name. Even him same one. I say boy, when me tell him say but me say about rope me say so me say him say yeah man but me I know him right name that and him thing. I change him, I did pull it to join the police was. Then they kick him out.
Well, I mean, no matter who he may still Well, me learn a whole lot from Elliot too. He was part of my.
You don't talk about learn a whole. Hey, look here, evil criminal have good side of them.
True, man. Everybody.
Okay, you understand? So when you go talk say labor, me can point to one labor right when me know that police was with them put in it. So this is something new to me when me are here. All them for do it and the 18-year a PMP in a government. Oh, that makes sense to me and because when Melio joined the police force, when Melio joined the police force, a PMP in a power and them did kick him out of the police force and Michael Manley himself bring him back. Because him a brigadista.
A years PMP in a power, brother.
Well, and the reason because remember say every time election I call them send Renita Adams go down to Valley and start shoot the people them down like the man down a human being them. And them thing me totally against. Me don't care about nobody boy or labor. Me say everybody as Jamaican. People from PMP community they say themselves as Jamaican and them say themselves as PMP.
But Tivoli Gardens was a community where no police can go in. I don't know police can go.
Alright, look here. I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah, you understand me, Chris? Nobody police couldn't go to Tivoli.
Yeah, but listen what I'm saying. We're not talking about them cool guy Tivoli Garden and them thing there. What's the reason of the police that you go patrol that area where you don't have no crime? Make that make sense to me.
Patrol still, you don't need to patrol that there's no crime. But at the same time, you know.
That's why I ask you, make that make sense to me. Because normally when you go on the street you used to go on the street and them thing there. Normally when you come in you go through the man report and you see which part of the crime them are committing.
Yeah,
that's the crime committing in our community. What's the sense of you go in community?
Yeah,
unless you go there and just go talk with the people them. Or them not go screen up with you because you don't know so them have you.
But there was no where there's a whole lot of crime. But you that's the thing where police always overlook sometimes, not because the area don't have no crime, you know, going to that area. Cause you see, some areas in Jamaica is like a time bomb, you know. But you see, even like Portmore, the police are not really patrol Portmore.
That's true about Portmore. We're talking about Tivoli Garden. Talk about Tivoli Garden. Talk about Portmore. We're talking about Tivoli Garden. Police will go down there and thing. I mean, I said, what's the sense of police going to Tivoli Garden when you have a crime reported there? They have their own system.
Yeah,
we know that criminal.
Chris, you're not supposed to have their own system, you know. You're not supposed to have their own system in Jamaica.
Alright. Well, then, alright. But look here, who create the system?
Well, a politician create the system.
Okay, alright. So them create the system. So if them have a system and their system is working, where them not have no crime, what's the reason for you? What's the reason for you as?
If it's working, I guess let it work. Because at the end of the day, as a police, is a no crime zone you want. So if that you're in a no crime zone, it is working and leave it alone.
What you earlier said about police could go down there, but that's what I said. What the sense that you have to go down there when there's no reason to go there?
But it's just like when the police still couldn't go there.
I mean, no man.
You think police are brave enough to patrol Tivoli Gardens? Police are brave enough to patrol Tivoli?
No. But as we go back and get them thing, what's the reason for police who want to go patrol Tivoli when you're not a crime down there?
There's no crime down there, but police is afraid to go. The police was scared to go down there anyway. Remember that, you know, Chris? Police is scared. When you drive through Tivoli Gardens, when you are...
When I go through Tivoli, we don't know reason.
I wouldn't go there.
Look here.
I'm not scared to die, but I wouldn't go there.
At 3 times I go to Tivoli Garden, at 3 times I go on the police.
You never go there yet.
Now, our best friend come from Tivoli Garden, he was police. And him left the police force after Tivoli incursion. Him say make more money being a criminal. Him dead in a prison.
I went, the first time I went to Tivoli Gardens was after the incursion, and then the police post was at Dudu's office. That's the first time I go to Tivoli Gardens.
Oh, you got on after 2010?
Then we never got to Valley yet, so we want to go look how it look like. So we drive
okay. Well, we go down there in a 96. In a 96 and time, they may shoot up the Downtown police station. I was the one I police, you know. I was the detective why the shooting did stop, you know, because every time the boy shoot off our police, the woman then come in front of them. I mean tell the police them, I mean start shoot on the woman, I mean tell the police them to shoot the woman them. I saw the shooting stop. Yeah, and the man them say me a madman. I say, a fool, you know, say, woman, they might use the woman, them as shield. Me tell them, say, not thinking as police, not think say a woman. Them, the woman, they are carousing. You understand? I call them and protect the boy them. And I submit the shooting. I submit the shooting in subside. Cause them not the boy, them not cover on them thing there.
Most of the women in the city nowadays, they are doing crimes too, you know?
Yeah, yeah, as you know, yeah, because tell me about the most dangerous woman crime gang in a Kingston 30. The one them when used to them go out, the good looking girl them, and them go out and bring in man and rob them and kill them.
There's a crew on Waltham in a Kingston 30. I remember for the Barrows gang them call them, but one woman in the crew named Sonia Barrows.
Yes.
They used to go out every night. And
them look good, pretty girl.
Them look good, pretty girl. Them. They just go meet the man them on the street. When they meet the man, them follow the man them go to them yard. And when they go to the man them yard, they just left the door open for them friend them come rob and thief all of them and them things. And
kill sometimes kill some man them.
Rob the man them and all these things. And you know what happened after that? The whole of them meet them. I remember I knew Sonia. I never knew the other female them by person, but I came to know Sonia Barrows because she was the last of them still alive. But they murdered them and cut out all them vagina.
Which one? The same one that kill them?
They found one in a Chinese cemetery with all our vagina cut out. They murdered them, man.
Same criminal them kill them.
Yeah, man, because like the man them, what them have to rob, man, them send man to kill them. They destroy the whole crew. So I think I met Sonia Barrows. I think she was the only one left out of the gang. Yeah, man. Dangerous female them, man. Dangerous female. Then you remember me a Kingston 13 man, I know a female will go out there with the man them go rob to, and she them use, you know. To stop the taxi them to rob the man them, you know, on the Waltham, you know. She then used to stop the car, so when the taxi said the woman will pull over down.
Yes.
And so him get tricked. You have a female in that roll with a baby. And shoot my brethren and kill him. But him died, him go to hospital, go look for him before he died. He died in the hospital. You understand? But I want female with a baby him pick up. And when him pick up the female, the boy them jump out of from behind the bush pan him. She have a young baby, you know. Yeah, the boy them shoot him, take him car and shoot him, rob him, took him car and shot him. And we go look for him in hospital, but he died a few days later, you know what I mean? He tell me, say, I want female with a baby. Stop him, so that is what they are using now, because no man now stop you, then you're not stopping for your man. You have to stop your woman with a baby, right?
Well, that's why you don't stop, that's why me don't believe in that, that's why, you see me, like me, you know what I'm thinking. Number one, if me a driver, I see a woman brought down. Even when me used to that Jamaica, she not get no help from me, you know. I don't care who she, you know. She could have in a spiky little more, you know. Me not help you, you know. You better, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Me not in that kind of thing.
You have to be smart these days. You can't stop for people like that, strangers. Sometimes you have to just make things slide. You know, but you don't know, Chris, we have to stop, you know, because we are police, you know, we love help people too, you know, that's the next thing.
No, that's if me are the police there, but if me I drive my private car, me not help you. You understand?
I help people all the time, but you know, have to be careful.
No, sir. But I tell you, say, boy, you're different from me and them things, because some things where you do, me not doing it.
Well, people saying about watch out.
I'm the wickedest people that when I get to a woman, you know. That's what you just said. So why me if you drop my girl down and say a woman, she look good, and she in a spiky and style and them, me, if you go stop in a night, if you go help she, no man, you stay there, man. You must know when you're the poor road so late. You're not idiot and them things. No, I know you see them in the band. Yeah, man. We know enough, a whole heap of police them know lose them lives because of a woman.
True, man. Police lose them life like that before.
Yeah, man.
And police not careful either, you know what I mean? That's police officer, you can't go certain place and you can't live your life a certain way. You will lose.
No, and them not a sense on them thing there. Boy, sometimes when you look back on your life,
I'm not scared, I'm not afraid for dead, you know, but I don't care my life will give a man like that.
No, true.
You understand me? I don't care my man, like what Melody tell me, you know, say, yeah, man, a man never have a gun, you know, and all of a sudden he have a gun, you know, if he can walk go water house, you know. Because God give him a false sense of security.
No, that's a lie still, you know. No, I'm a lie that.
Man thinks everybody, you know.
Yeah, man.
The man tell me, oh, me a police, you know, me can go anywhere. That's the thing, brother. You know what I mean?
That false sense of security.
false sense of security, man. A whole lot of people have a false sense of security. Me not afraid to die, but me not carry my life or give it away either. You understand me? But Chris, like I said before, brother, the police work mash up in there. There's no more good detectives again in the region.
No, you know,
everybody know.
Them say the man, them make the detective important, man. You know, see what, man? Remember, say it start by the most corrupt commissioner of police. You understand? And even the other day, may I show you now still, all the police, all the force itself corrupt. One of the most honest and ethical and most decent police officer in the Jamaican Constabulary Force right now. They have the most pristine character, and the police are named MacArthur Sutherland. They don't know say, a police, a big time police. And the man I say, boy, the reason why the Labour them not give MacArthur Sutherland because he's a PMP. So anyone will say, so them not care about, them not care. The man work and conduct is impeccable. And you go say, boy, because I'm a PMP. And this is a man, him and a friend with Dana Williams and all of them people there. So you understand what I'm saying? Everybody knows that Kevin Blake a Labour, right? Because when I see because see him Uncle Wayne Ellington, them man they come like war, man. And anyway money there, them the business they are wine.
That's because you have man like that when I'm not loyal to nothing, them rolling the tide.
Yeah.
Them rolling the tide. You understand? PMP, them roll the Labour, right?
Yes. Yeah, because
that's the thing. You see, police work should never be about politics, and that is why the police department can't go better because too much politics in the police department. You understand me? Because you're not fooling, Chris. If you're out there and you see Super tell us a goddess every minute, the goddess every minute, you go look on you and say, well, every minute you must send me to the Labour area. You know what I mean?
What kind of interest you have inside there?
Yeah, you can answer and so you pick up things and you use your head, and you say, nah, man, you're an idiot. I'm out here and you can't tell me to go. You get me, I say?
You remember what the one DSP when he come out on me named Simpson? I saw every time he used to go in a Labour party in a Marvel. I mean, I said, wait, what kind of police are police? You remember the police?
Some of them still. You
remember the police in the park? You remember him?
What name?
Simpson did name or something like that.
No, I never know him.
Yeah, man. That after them dismantle Marvel and them turn St. Andrews, a part of St. Andrew, north in a St. Andrew south, and bring in Marvel.
Remember
when in the park near Simpson. Every time he have raid in a Labour area, he carry the police them.
Yes, man, because I'm a politician.
I'm a shot, man.
As police, if you observe them thing there,
I mean, so one man in Paris, I say, look here, Mr. Simpson, I ask something, alright. Every time you come to Marvel, you pay Labour, a Labour community here coming in. I want up here, sir. Them not, we don't murder happening in the next part. Him say, man, them over here. So, I say, man, them over here, so kill man over there, so we not lock them up. We just pick up people and every time you just let them go. And I saw, so now, after that, now, until them go parade up there, they don't carry me.
You cannot carry me.
No. You know the
problem. You point out in my agenda.
Yeah, no, so I don't tell them thing there. No, that's why I'm telling you. Just like what
the senior officers, them not the force in that. If you feel like you can point out certain things, them care belly for you, my youth. They make every phone call in the island for your career moving. You can't better know that.
Well, you see what happened to me on them thing there.
Yeah, me see what happened to you, and you see the thing about it, the things that happen to you right in front of me. You remember that? I never know what going on. If you never explain certain things afterward, I never would know the judgment where you got through with the old cockroach them. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I cross with them, man. Hey, boy, man, it's not easy. The first police will tell lie about me and Ricky Bailey. I mean, Ricky Bailey was friend, you know. Man, collect money and tell lie about me Rasta. But I just saw it go, you know. You understand? And see you do like that. Then the next one, yeah, man, a cowboy get one police and internal to tell a lie about me. You understand? All because they know I'm free. All because you know, said you know what the man have me up for. You know, say I'm me, you know, make police, you know, make detective, you know. In a St. Andrew South, stop come and work. Where I work in a evening, come in a man. You know that though. Oh yes, man. As me, I am the one why that happened in a South. in the meeting with Wenford Robinson and them thing, and me say, because I say, my street, I say, no man, it's unfair for a man where I work 6 o'clock to come 8 o'clock and then you left 1 o'clock to come back 6 o'clock. Yeah, I remember me, yeah man, and I saw Scully, Fletcher and Morrison. I saw them join with me, you know. And I said everything with the man I say are true. And night and Robinson said I rub off the mouth and them thing. I said to Robinson, I said, yeah man, my crime officer, you know. I said to Robinson, say, hey look here, I'm telling you this. No man you can't clean the dirt off of my shoes, you know, because you're baby police to me, you know. I say you can't ask cowboy, a clown to me. You understand? You know the quarter working at this place I like me and them thing. You can't nobody know, you know. You understand? And I was after that meeting and I saw them revert Fletcher and send him a concern spring him a Morrissey. Because them say, oh them as the corporal you know I take side with the concept. And I saw
so that was the reason why them send him Morrison and Fletcher?
Yeah man, they're not it man because them decided
Morrison was transferred to Conference Spring. Yes, no, but I never transferred to Conference Spring.
Yeah man, and I see him cowboy write document for Fletcher and revert him. Remember say Fletcher and they don't like you. Them can free me and charge you now. Free them Fletcher and charge.
Look man, afraid to talk him man.
Yeah, no, hey look here. May I tell you say it could happen to anyone who happen to Fletcher. Alright. It's just like a man I sell a car. A man I sell a car and you witness the sale. And that's a Fletcher charge, you know. I hit them use to charge Fletcher, you know. Forward, you know. 2 people at the business and in the office and Fletcher just a witness. And because them not like Fletcher, them cook up charge and charge him for conspiracy to fraud. And them get a quote after, you know, when everything and it just said it's a policeman that commit no crime. Anybody, the man act like just like a JP because the man put him signature, in name, same witness the transaction, this amount of money passed between the 2 persons. So him involved
in that.
Yeah, all him do is witness.
The man was just a neutral participant.
You understand? So they must say, what else? Yeah. So I say, go. That them do with Fletcher.
That is the thing, Chris. When they want to destroy them, find then we find anything to mash up. And if them can't listen, if they can't find nothing to mash up, they make people write things on your file, see them.
Yeah, man.
Some things will not even go so. And then guess what? See, every time your name go for promotion, they say you're under investigation. And nobody now call you and say, boy, Blake, you're under investigation. You know?
No, man. Them do that because them know alright. Me have a squad, you know. What them do, you know. And the man, he might only want to pass. Me not call the rank we pass the exam island wide, you know. And you know what the man them do him? It's like the week him to get promotion. Other week them charge him for a murder where I'm 10 years ago. With no witness, you know, just like how you charge murder. Them charge him for murder with no witness.
Remember, I was charged just like a month after me get promotion, you know. And remember this. You remember there's a police officer in Jamaica now by the name of Nick Jonas. He is an attorney now. When Nick Jonas was going to sit the exam for the bar, you know, so the man charged Nick Jonas, brother, charged derail the youth career.
The police was?
Yes, man, try to derail the youth career, charge the youth. I try to mash up the youth career, brother. I see the youth
come out and talk to me. That's what them do.
Yes, man, a good police, because that's why the man is an attorney and still, I want if him get sergeant yet. I don't even know what he wrong be right, and the man is an attorney, yeah. Because, well, he might move up, but he may not the clique.
Yeah, well, you have to be part of it, man. You have to be part of it.
For accelerated promotion, you have to be in the clique, you know.
Yes, man.
When you move up, you have to be in the clique, you know, so it's going on.
But look for all Mackenzie where you said that on spear. Mackenzie, you know, I don't know if you know about the truck, you know, so Mackenzie sell a tanker full of gas in a on spear. When when police or constable sees the truck, you know, for the man, you know. I shake the policeman, I shake down the gas man, you know. Cause you don't know that good charm. Like me, you know, I'm not busy about the man and sell them illegal gas. Cause that's not my thing. You know what I'm saying? I feel them way that for us learn them thing. We know say it's illegal. But many people them we have interest in it, make them go deal with that. Me not work in the Jamaica retailer gas and you understand? That them and between me and them I feel them informal employment system that in them community. I know say boy them actually gas it I work them work, you know. You understand? And whether or not you want to believe in it, it's same, you know, same big man them a petrol jam, feel them operation that, you know.
I feel them operation, man, is a salesperson.
You understand? And the police will have on the man. All I'm on the man truck, I want to shake it. A man saying no the money at the time. I'm carry the truck down once me. I'm making to take over a case. I'm making to sell every gas out of the truck. When I'm an inspector, same thief in Mackenzie where they have to inspect these. But because in our store, and then the man of who want a feature, I have to give the man $300,000 to get back him one truck. And me I tell you, say man call me and I tell me, say boy, Mr. Porter, I wickedest police them this man. The man thief the gas out of the truck, and me have to pay to get back my truck. I mean, not commit no crime.
Wickedness that man.
Well, and in get deputy superintendent, I am my crime chief out of Kingston East. At one point, I remember, you saw life funny. Say him, how him get inspector. Owen Ellington, him was Owen Ellington farmer, Clarin and areas. Pig enough for Owen Ellington, You hear me say? Yeah, man, the big man, him have big pen down there. I saw him get inspector and I raise ag for Owen Ellington.
And get inspector. And people out the road aside, gunshot and I get mash up out the road.
At one time, you ever shoot somebody on my constable and be charged. For shoot a man as Santa Cruz. One somebody, the man they cut the man for the shadow. But one thing the man the thief do, because the man that was drugs mule, The man is a cooking and belly come America, I tell you, I mean, because we're the police, where Imanima's batchmate, All of them you see that me pen. The man that drugs me, I tell you,
the police do them things too.
Yeah, man, the same animal crime.
A guy can't approach me about certain things, I'm unapproachable when it comes to certain things, you can't approach me about certain things,
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 3 of 5, of this series. Detective Corporal Blake telling, you the audience and us at the Jamaica Young Police channel sharing his knowledge of, corruption in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Yeah, man, so you have to give the man credit for all the things that he has done, sharing all of this information with us. So we give him props up for everything that he has done so far. So you hope you enjoyed, the series so far. So have yourself a beautiful day. Part 4 will be coming up shortly. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.